So, probably it's a new environment. Actually, it's my new place I moved in recently, so I'm very excited for this place. And I'm living right now alone, but I'm not supposed to live alone. Somebody will move in eventually, I guess. Or somebody's living here. No, I don't think so because it was completely empty when I moved in. So, yeah. Yeah. Yes, always like icebreaker. And next thing I'm going to talk about is probably not there's something new here. I think without glasses look much better. I don't know. Does it? I'm not sure about that, but it looks different, doesn't it? My parents don't like it. But yeah, what I want to say is let's talk about the Taijobi 0.2. This new update is gonna be a bit short. I didn't officially update it to 0.2. I have to do that probably next feature or bug fix will be updated to 0.2, and I'm very excited about that because I'm gonna keep this video probably short about new updates. So yeah, sorry, I just thought about something, but I don't know what. Anyway, I'm gonna show here, over here, somewhere here, or down here, probably see there, the bit short video. That's what you can do right now. It's one of the features I'm very excited about. I was excited. I like it, having quiz. It's not completely ready. It's gonna be updated, added some features, UI changes, etc. But it works for now, and I use it. I try to use it to learn it. For example, because of it, I learned like almost 50 kanjis, and I can do them. Of course, sometimes I forget about them because they're similar, and so I'm like, oh, I mistaken them. But yeah, and beside that, there is a feature called the stats page. You can probably with the new update you can see that. So nothing that more about that because I have to yet think about how I'm gonna actually implement that because I'm not 100% sure what kind of data or fact users are gonna see there. But yeah, for now it's gonna see how many completed quizzes you did, and eventually I'm gonna improve it. I'm gonna add some extra, I don't know, data extra. I was thinking about like how many minutes you spent or how many time you spent using that application, etc. We can do that actually, sure, but we'll see. I'm not sure how we can do that, but I think it's possible for sure. Probably some challenges. Last video I made, it was like at the beginning of September, and I'm actually happy with the result. I actually added to my timeline. I have like kind of not timeline, time step, or I don't know, like sprint you call it, like 2 months sprint, etc. I just moved a new place, got a lot of work to do, and it's very hard to maintain with that because during the summer I was kind of more open and I had more free time, but eventually I need to work more and I got distracted more, which is not distracted, I need to work itself. And there is a lack of motivation sometimes, and as well I would say probably like lack of kind of vision, sometimes, for example, stats page, I'm not 100% sure what it's gonna be. I do have some references to implement it, how I think it's gonna be good, but I'm not sure about that. But that's how it is, that's okay. And I try to find kind of motivation on the side. I'm trying to learn, and I'm very excited to push myself to do that because sometimes you just get burned out, to actually do that. And I'm not the best developer, and I would like to make the UI part as well much better. So it's another burden to me because I try to set the high standard, or not high standard, like at least good standard to myself for application, because I eventually like that it's gonna have a seamless UI that it makes sense that how it looks like, etc. Otherwise, now it's gonna be kind of how the skewed design or something like that, because it's mismatched or something like that. But yeah, that's some challenges I've faced so far, and continuously is gonna face it. But there are other things I'm gonna talk about in next episode, how do you call it? Chapter, time step, chapter. I don't know, whatever. Next thing I'm gonna talk about is some probably technology challenges or dev challenges, you call it. The first challenge, not yet challenge, but I think it's gonna be a challenge. Most of the time when you build something, you have always like landing page that can get to know what kind of product is that, what kind of company it is. And you have a blog page there as well, you can see that everything. But what I'm trying to do right now is Taijobi.com is everything in one place. You have applications, some applications will be eventually available. Right now you have to log in to actually see that. By measure, I'm gonna fade it up some, like for example, next thing I'm thinking about to implement is blogs, etc. And you have to actually see them. By blogs I mean it can be like a Japanese lesson or something like that. And and there's something, but the problem is don't need to like, so we're telling Taijobi.com is basically kind of use the landing page on blogs, etc., marketing site, etc. And app.taijobi.com, it can be just application, web application basically, but I try to kind of squeeze them together. And is it good? Because I just thought about that. Anyway, I'm gonna have for the Taijobi application kind of lessons in the way of blogs, etc. So it doesn't make sense to kind of separate them. And I think itself, the product will be kind of landing page itself. So I think that's kind of justifies my decision at the beginning of building the Taijobi, I guess. And yeah, the second thing is I need to migrate a couple times, I guess. But recently I migrated from, I've been using Fly.io. It's like multi-region deployment of servers based on Docker mostly. So basically, I use SQLite for my database. So but I'm thinking like ahead maybe about the fact that my application will be used around the world, which means you have to have several servers around the world to make sure that users have low latency and, like, I don't know, it's able to handle a lot of traffic, for example. And the SQLite itself, it's not designed for it, so you need to, that's why use something. For example, you want to synchronize the data, you need to use live TS, Lightstream or something like that. I don't remember, live FS. Oh my god, I could have forgot. I get it wrong, but anyway. So that thing I used by this live FS cloud service by Fly.io, but they started to charge for it €5 you're gonna use it, so that's not a good idea for me because I don't have any traffic, so I just migrated to basic one. I only have one server for now, two probably, like, but oh yeah, they're in Amsterdam, for example, and yeah, that's a tech challenge and search challenge probably. Not tech challenge, yeah, it's true, is it? Tech? I don't think so. I only have two challenges for sure, but I started probably tech challenge. I think Burnout is more like overall building a project on your own is very hard. And I try to keep up. I don't do every day, but I try to do that. And yeah, I just think about have to do it actually, but yeah, it's gonna be interesting. But I'm very excited about the project. I'm not giving up anything like that because that thing I'm learning Japanese, yeah. And probably the bad thing is I'm not Japanese to kind of make it more, I don't know, to get it right, you know, with Japanese lessons, etc. Because I'm not Japanese, I don't know if 100% right or not. I shared with my sensei, but she said, no. She didn't say that, she said, it's good, yeah, that's all. Thank you, sensei. I guess I'm gonna sum up, oh my god. I guess I'm gonna sum up my video for this Taijobi 2.0, oh my god. I'm probably gonna leave this bloopers of how it's called, I don't know, 0.2. And I'm very excited what's gonna come next, and I'm looking forward for any feedback you're gonna leave me. Bye.